we miss you so much. We have all the teachers here, and we're just going to do the sound of the week W today. We just wanted to say hi and that we're all together and we're doing well, and hope you're doing well too. So I was just going to present W today, and these are going to be my students today. I'm so lucky. Okay, so what I usually do, I have the sandpaper letter out, and then I have the sound box. What you can do at home, you can gather things that start with W in your household and play this game too. So, raise your hand if you know the name of this letter. Doug?
W.
Yes, everyone say W.
W.
Yes. And most importantly for reading, what sound does W make? Danita! W. Yes, everyone say W.
W.
Awesome. So we're going to trace W. Go down, up. W.
W.
Good. Now everybody, do it in the air. Down, up. W. Great. On your leg. Down, up. W. Last one. On the carpet. Down, up. W. Wonderful. W for walrus. W for watermelon. Yum. W for wolf. Ooh. W for wagon. W for whistle. W for water bottle. W for walkie-talkie. W for washboard. Wash your clothes. This washboard, they used to do that in the old days. W for book. We have a water, whale, web, window, wheel, and witch. Book. Now, we're going to play What's Missing if you want to. And they always have a choice. You can play or you don't have to. But take a look. We have the walrus, watermelon, wolf, wagon, whistle, water bottle, walkie-talkie, washboard, and the book. So, close your eyes if you want to play. Open your eyes. What is missing? Sarah.
The wolf.
Yes, it is the wolf. That's what was missing. What did you have for breakfast today?
I had eggs and I had sweet potatoes.
Oh, wonderful breakfast, Sarah. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to take away 2 things. So take a good look. Okay, close your eyes if you want to play. Open your eyes. What is missing? Doug?
Watermelon and water bottle.
Wow! The watermelon and the water bottle. Fantastic. What did you have for breakfast, Doug?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Yes,
Good
cereal.
breakfast. Very good breakfast. Okay, last time, I'm going to take away 1. Okay, take a good look. Okay, close your eyes. Open your eyes. What is missing? Danita!
Whistle.
Yes, it is the whistle.
Yay for Danita.
Yay! What did you have for breakfast, Danita?
Had a keto coffee with coconut oil, butter, and collagen powder.
Oh, excellent breakfast, Danita. Thank you for playing, everybody. That was the sound of the week. And all done.